What's up? Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano pumasok ang isang empleyado na tulad ko. At ito ang aking unang vlog.
Ay.
This is na malilig na alas 3 yung pasok ko. Anong oras na? Alas... Dito na naman yung mga cheaters. Ha? Mga cheaters yung mga yan. Cheaters sa Crossfire.
Talk dirty to me.
Show 'em who you call daddy.
And what a lucky girl you will be. But no, we didn't
Talk dirty to me. Ain't no talking reckless, girl. I'm certified. Respect it, girl.
hear that sound.
I ain't even trying to see you naked. Wait, there I go exaggerate. Clearly carried away. What I'm saying, you can shoot at. I wanna be wherever you at. So you wish you can kiss me, do you?
Honey.
Guess it's just the way that I'm dressed, ain't it? Like your shoes crispy and fresh lace.
He had the rose in the voice, the tone in his voice. Don't want a good girl, not hold.
Boom! Ayun, nandito na ako ngayon sa pinagtatrabahoan ko. Pasensya na kasi kailangan ko itago yung video na ito kasi bawal mag-cellphone dito sa loob. Bawal mag-cellphone sa pinagtatrabahoan. Alam niyo naman na yun.
And we'll never be royal. It's the one that I want. That kind of love just ain't for us. We crave a different kind of buzz. Let me be your ruler. You can call me queen bee, and baby I'll rule. Let me live that fantasy. That fantasy. Let me live that fantasy.
I'll show you how to do this, huh?
Let me live that fantasy.
It feels like a perfect night to fall in love with strangers.
But you're an animal, baby, it's in your nature. Just let me liberate you.
2 oras na lang at mag-break time na. Ang walang magawa. Meron na yung kasabihan na customers is always right. Mali. Mali yun. Hindi lahat ng gusto nyo meron. Buti kaya, lagi kayong tama. Porkit ba sinabing customers is always right? Tama na kayo, ha? Mag-break time.
I know you want
Be
it.
shy.
I know you want it.
I want to.
You're a good girl.
You look like bad news. I gotta have you. I gotta have you.
You're the hottest bitch in this place.
I see it.
pagkatapos ng trabaho, kain na naman.
May kailangan ba? Sa tingin niyo walang pantaya. Buong gabi nakabantay at kung nakamaskara.
Wow! Corn beef!
May nakapalibot na matigis na bakal na korestado sa mga palasyo. Patahan bullshit. Siya po bilang kapitan ng kapulisan.
Paano naman kami?
Kapag nahuli ko, may paparating na malakas na bagyo. Darating ang ilaw. Hindi dapat makapasok si Red Dragon. Pagdating ng bagyo, mamamatay siya lahat.
Kumain din lang ako ng isda.
Ikaw yung nag-iisang pumidil sa buhay ni Iwan yung tama ba? Maraming tinuro sa iyo ang lola mo na makipagtagay. Pero hindi.
Don't stop, don't stop. Honey, all night in the neon lights, so you can let me go. We in the zone, in the zone tonight.
Can't stop me. Go hard like I got an inner in my heartbeat.
Boom! Ah, punyeta! Unang first vlog, gago. Una na nga tapos first vlog. Tanga, i-edit yun, bagtit.
Buda, belakang. Hintayin mo lang kasi, tanga, next. Bubong. Oh.
I live for the applause, applause, live for the applause, applause, live for the way that you cheer and scream for me. Leave it all for surprise up in the sky.
Whose name is global and known? Whose name's on the check and they add in the O? Whose name's on the blink with the world is yours? Whose name's on schools? Slam for show. I know it's hard to understand how a boy grew to a man, man turned to a brand. But guess what? Here I am.
Tell me what you waiting for.
I've been waiting for this time to come around.
We're dreaming, will I ever find you now?
But baby, running after you is like chasing the clouds.
Don't stop, I need your
Story of my life, I take her home.
take me home. And the dreams are made of gold.
Boom! Gabi na! At nakauwi na ulit ako sa bahay at pagod na galing sa nagtrabaho. Ay, magbibihis. Ah! Ito si... Anong ginagawa mo? Gumagawa ka ng thesis? Thesis ba yan? Ay, Photoshop. Hindi ko alam eh. Ay, sa wakas na tapos isang araw na trabaho. Boom! Yan, tapos na ako nagbihis. Alam niyo naman yun. Yan, ganyan kami kasolid. TV Plus. nagbablog ako. Yan na naman, puro Naruto na naman. Hindi na tayo nakakapanood ng balita.
Hindi ako susunod sa utos ng film sector.
Puro Naruto na lang. Yan, mahilig ka sa Naruto, ha? Ang hilig-hilig mo sa Naruto. Naruto.
Pero wala lang sa kalabang team ang kalaban namin.
Yan, tapos na po ang vlog natin ngayong araw. At i-edit ko na ito. Watch me and learn.